I feel so good, so good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another wonderful recipe, guys, and I am so excited to share it with you guys. So I came across this recipe on Pinterest, and for the past 5 days I've been drinking it, guys. The result was great. It was massive, guys. So let's get right into the video. For this recipe, you need 1 large of ginger, 2 to 3 beetroot, 1 teaspoon of pink salt, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So I'm going to wash my beetroot. My beetroot is clean, as well as my ginger, so I have to wear gloves just because of the color that is coming out of the beetroot. Beetroot is a great source of nutrient. It is used to lower fat in the body, lower blood pressure, improve exercise performance, and also prevent cancer. The cayenne pepper reduce hunger, boost metabolism, lower blood pressure, and so on. The pink salt flush out toxin, improve digestion, regulate blood sugar, and we all know that apple cider vinegar reduce cholesterol, lower blood sugar, and is very effective for weight loss. So I'm just going to cut everything into pieces before I blend them. so much for watching. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and turn on your notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you can be notified. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you. God bless you, and bye-bye.